Okay, so today we are going to a new location. Today we are going to a new location which is in Hoskote, very famous for biryani. This place is called as Anand Biryani, and it's about 15 kilometers from the location which I am going from, which is Kerpuram Hanging Bridge. It's about, Google says that it's 15 kilometers, so I should be there by 45 minutes time. So right now it's 4:30 in the morning, and once we reach there, we should be able to see the place. So I guess we should be there by 5:15, I guess. Let's see. There comes the hanging bridge, Kerpuram Hanging Bridge. So hang on, guys. We are going to have some nice biryani there in Anand Biryani, Dum Biryani. So let's see how it is going to be. Okay, so now we are in this place. We have reached, and it's about, can't see the time. It's 5 o'clock, and you see the queue here. My God, the queue I could see about half a kilometer distance, where the people are actually standing. People are actually standing here, and a lot of vehicles, heavy vehicles are going by. I could say about 100 people, easily 100. As yeah, this is the place, Anand Dum Biryani, and I guess there you go. So queue we have here, so huge queue. Oh, there, this is ready to serve biryani. Let's look at the size of this thing. We have couple of them actually prepared already, and I believe they start at around 10:30, somewhere at 10:30, and then they continue. As they continue, they do the entire about, this is about 6 year, and this is about 7, 8, 9 dekshas, big, huge dekshas, ready to serve biryanis right now. These are ready to serve. Let's look at them. Wonderful. I think this is the most delicious biryani, because we see that there are about more than 100 people standing outside, which means that the quantity is enormous. The quantity is enormous. Let's look at this. So delicious biryani, which is ready for serve. Wow. And all these are made of mutton biryani only mutton biryani. And I think we are reaching almost about 500 people almost now. So this is ready to serve biryani now. Look at the steam and most beautiful smell which is coming out. It's coming out. Absolutely delicious smell. And I guess they will be starting the serving right now. It's just sadly I missed out the timing to come a little more earlier because of the distance and reached a little late. So, of course, in the very next video, I will make sure that the preparation part is put in the next video. The how's it prepared? How's it prepared? I will make sure that the new video is updated very soon. It will be updated very soon. Let's check that out sooner. And meanwhile, let's have a look on the serving part. And okay, it's getting ready. Look at this delicious biryani. Wow. Beautiful, delicious biryani. Really delicious biryani. Guys, believe me, you will love it. You will love it. I mean, just look at the crowd. If you look at the crowd itself, it's like, I don't think you would find another biryani anywhere else. I mean, when you compare with the other places, And I guess the serving starts now. This is the serving side, and at the other end is the parcel side. So we are looking at the serving side here. People are taking. Absolutely delicious biryani. Look at that. They are serving the way they are serving it. And the crowd is becoming huge there. There's a huge crowd. So guys, you have to come here and visit this place and taste this delicious biryani. Believe me, you will love it. Okay, now look at the queue here. That is the soup end. You get leg soup. This crowd. Look at this crowd. So we're just going to go outside to see the crowd and cover this. If people are it's so much interested with this thing, believe me, guys, coming from any part of Bangalore to this particular location, definitely worth it. Because as I see this particular crowd here, it's the longest one I can ever see. It's the longest one I can ever see. Really the longest one. Really the longest one. I mean, I can't reach my eyes. But yeah, definitely the longest. Definitely the longest. As I was telling you guys again, this is where you are supposed to be. So the main thing in this particular location is that the special events happens on Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Soup location. Wow. Let's check out some soup. Soup, raita. This is chicken fry, and that's the leg soup. And this one is the mutton fry. Wow, I smell the delicious mutton fry, chicken fry. The time is 5:45. There you go. Let me show you the time. Let me show you the time, guys. It's this is 5. There you go. This is clear. This is 5:45, and almost about 100 people are eating here. Almost 100 people are eating here. And the queue is still continuing. The queue is still continuing. And let's see the queue here. The queue here, and it's about a kilometer away. This is really great. I mean, if Anand Dum Biryani is so famous, it's the delicious dekshas we saw. I think the queue is almost there, about a kilometer away, probably 2 kilometers away, probably, I don't know. I mean, people are standing and waiting. And at around 5:45, at this early morning, people eating biryani. I am sure this biryani is going to be very, very, very delicious. Sir, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಗಡಿ ರೋಡು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಳ್ಳಿ, ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 42 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವರೇ?
ಹ್ಞೂ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವರೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 3 o'clock ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತಿಂದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸಿಕ್ತು, ತಿಂದ್ವಿ.
ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮನೆಗೆ.
ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು 4 ಜನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 4 ಮಂತ್ಸಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಬರಬೇಕು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸು ಇವತ್ತು ಏನೋ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡು ಬಂತು, ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ದೇವ್ರದಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು
ಫೈನಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು 4 ಮಂತ್ಸಿಂದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸು ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
delicious food we are going to taste right now. Awesome. Lovely. Wow. Fantastic. It's 7:10 now. 7:10, and look at the queue. Still, it's almost reaching the end of the road. Okay, I'm with my mask. Let me just get it off. Okay, so there you go. Okay, all right. So I'm out of the mask now. All right, so it's 7:10. Okay, so let me show you the time again. All right, so hang on, guys. 7:10, and look at the queue. Look at the queue. Just look at this queue. My God, it is absolutely great, unbelievable queue. You know, I am sure you guys need to come and check out this place. The length of the queue, it's reaching to the end of this particular road, which is actually the junction. I would call it as a junction. I do not know the exact junction name. So it's crossing there. So let me try to zoom in, and zoom in, and there you go. You see those people there still standing? My God, this is unbelievable. People, you guys, you have to come here and check out this biryani. Oh my God, the taste was so delicious that I was like totally amazed. I have tasted n number of places. I mean, nothing like this. I mean, the biryani was, my God. I mean, I got no words to say. That's one thing, all right. And yeah, as far as this the cooking is concerned, I'm sorry, guys. I missed out today, and I was not able to complete that. So we are having another visit on Tuesday, possibly on Tuesday, to the same location to check out the cooking part of this one, and I will make sure that it is done. Hopefully. All right. I enjoyed the food. My kids enjoyed the food, and my wife also enjoyed the food. People around, I did have a discussion with them. They enjoyed it. Unfortunately, I didn't have much of time to take all the videos possible. So whatever is possible, I have covered. So thank you, and please also subscribe to my channel, Zoom in Hotspots, and I will take you to the locations like these, to different locations for you guys to experience it. All right. Okay. Thank you.